for checking out 3D Products. Are you looking to remove light, mild scratches, and apply a wax all in one step? We're going to show you how to do that with AAT 505 Correction Glaze.
So we're using AAT 505 All-in-one Correction Glaze, and we're going to use it on a Flex dual action polisher. It's a portable polisher. It's 12mm throw. We're going to apply 4 dime-sized drops, then put a couple little filler drops in between. Make sure the pad gets properly conditioned. And this product spreads evenly. We're going to start with this. We're going to show it with the 12mm throw, and then we're also going to show that it can be done with our typical standard 8mm throw dual action polisher from 3D. We are using our dark purple spider pad because we have a lot of heavy scratch removal that's on this pad, and we want to remove these scratches as much as possible and create a high gloss. This pad is very versatile and it will do a lot of the work for you. So we're going to go in a nice even back and forth motion here to remove a lot of these scratches. Now we're going to take and go with the 8mm throw and do the same type of work. There's a lot of questions out there as to which one's going to do more correction. What we've experienced with our product, that the lower throw does higher shine and the bigger throw does more correction. We have a great chemical that does a lot of the work for you. And again, in nice back and forth overlapping even motions, we'll be able to get a lot of this done even with an 8mm throw product. The 505 is doing a lot of the work for us. Going back and forth is going to be our main goal, and to make sure that pad stays nice and flat there. So we're going to cross hatch it, and then we'll be able to show you exactly what the 505 is doing. It's removing all your light to moderate scratches, or the heavy duty scratches have to be removed with a compound, which is what we did on the section just to the left of this. And you'll be able to see that here in the result picture in just a few moments. Again, we've cranked this speed all the way up. Our job is to make sure that the polisher stays flat, even, and does all the work, and we make sure that it doesn't stall out. So again, we're going to go back and forth one last time in a cross-hatching motion, and we're going to be applying a wax, removing some scratches, create a nice, great shine with this 505 All-in-one Correction Glaze. So now you have to remember that the slower you go, the more correction you're going to get. The faster you go, the more of a wax application you're going to get. So if you have some really heavy, stubborn scratches, one of the beautiful things about a dual action polisher is you kind of keep it in one spot so you can get a little bit more correction done and not really worry about burning. So now we've done that. As with all of our glazes and waxes, it comes off extremely easy. You'll be able to see the difference here. You get a great showroom shine. You get a lot of the scratches removed, but not all of them. And you can see in that line there the difference between a compound and polished scratch and an actual all-in-one scratch removal. Now, I could have spent a little bit more time on it and maybe got it out, but the nature of this product is to quickly run through, get you great shine with a good wax finish, and where a lot of the customers are happy. As you can see that line right down the middle there, that's the difference between a full cut and buff as opposed to an all-in-one step.
Thanks for checking us out and checking out this segment on using 3D's AAT 505 Correction Glaze. We'll see you next time.